Greetings from ELEATION. My name is Apoorv Bapat. I am the founder and CEO of ELEATION. On behalf of Team ELEATION, thank you for showing interest in ELEATION's one-year post-graduation diploma in CAD and CAE. In this video, I am going to cover who we are, that is about ELEATION company, what is CAD, that is computer-aided design, what is CAE, computer-aided engineering, difference between CAD and CAE, why to learn CAD and CAE software, details of one-year post-graduation diploma course, general questions and their answers. So we will start with who we are, that is about ELEATION. ELEATION Group has two verticals, ELEATION Services Private Limited and ELEATION Simulation Academy. ELEATION Services Private Limited has started in November 2015 with a team strength of 4 engineers and a projects from 6 companies. In 2016, our team strength was 40 and we were having CAE projects from 29 companies. In 2017, our team strength was 190 and we were having CAE projects from 350 companies. In 2017, we have introduced work from home via dedicated server. In 2018, our team strength was 210 and we were having CAE projects from 500 companies. Around 170 employees of ELEATION working as a CAE project engineer are working from work from home model. In 2019, we are having government projects on automobile and defense. In 2020, our team strength was 242. We are having CAE projects from 600 plus companies. The entire team were working from work from home model. In 2021, our team strength was 264. We got CAE projects from abroad. In 2020, our team strength was 300 and we were having CAE projects from 1000 plus companies. ELEATION Simulation Academy has started in December 2015. We have started with offline training on HyperWorks software at ELEATION's Pune JM Road Center for students and professionals. We have conducted corporate trainings to 20 plus companies. We have trained around 800 students. We have conducted in-house training program in 4 colleges. In 2016, we have started offline training on NCS software. We have conducted corporate trainings to 50 plus companies and we have trained 2100 students. We have conducted in-house training programs in 20 colleges. In 2017, we were the first one to introduce virtual online live interactive training program. We have conducted corporate trainings in 150 companies. We have trained 5000 students. We have conducted in-house training programs in 70 plus colleges. In 2018, we were the first one to start self-learning video-based training program. We have conducted corporate trainings to 200 plus companies. We have trained 9000 plus students. We have conducted in-house trainings in 160 colleges. In 2019, we have started training on Creo software. We have conducted corporate trainings to 300 plus companies. The number of students trained were 18,000 plus. We have conducted in-house training programs in 240 colleges. In 2020, we have conducted corporate trainings to 400 plus companies. The number of students trained were 34,000. We have conducted in-house training programs to 280 colleges. In 2021, we have conducted corporate trainings to 400 plus companies. The number of students trained were 40,000. We have conducted in-house training to 320 colleges. In 2022, we have introduced one-year post-graduation course in CAD and CAE with 100% placement guarantee. And we have trained more than 50,000 students. Now let's see what is CAD. CAD is computer-aided design, is a computer technology that designs a product and documents the design process. CAD may facilitate the manufacturing process by transferring detailed diagram of products, material, processes, tolerances and dimensions. CAD is mainly used for creating 1D line geometry, 2D surface geometry, drafting and 3D models. Now let's see what is CAE. Computer-aided engineering is a broad usage of computer software to aid in engineering analysis tasks. It includes finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, multi-body dynamics, optimization, etc. Now let's understand the difference between CAD and CAE. So CAD is about creating or generating 3D models. CAE is about testing its characteristics like material, strength, life, stresses, deformation using engineering methods. Let's understand this difference with an example. Consider this image represents the actual bridge. The virtual representation of actual component is called as CAD. A CA engineer will import a CAD model, create nodes and elements called as meshing, apply the loads like forces and constraints called as loading condition, solve the model to get the results. The advantage of CA is without actually manufacturing the component, you can get different results of the same components like effects of vibration, life of the component, stresses due to dynamic loading, etc. Now the question is, why to learn CAD and CAE software? As you know, in every domain, be it automobile, marine, civil, aerospace, consumer products, in all the domains, there are parts, products, assemblies and components are upgrading as per market requirements. Maximum parts, products and assemblies comes with guarantee or warranty. For any part or product manufacturer to give the guarantee or warranty, first the manufacturer should know what load this part can take, for how much duration this component will survive. In case this component is going to fail, then what is the failure location, what material is best suitable for this component, and many more. To answer these questions, companies have only three ways: analytical, numerical, experimental. This is also called as design validation. Now let's understand this in detail. Analytical is formula based approach, numerical is software based approach, experimental is physical testing. So the advantages of analytical method is it gives 100% accurate results to simple geometries or components. If the component is complicated, you cannot get 100% accurate results. The disadvantage of analytical method is you can only find the result if you have the formula. If you don't have the formula, you cannot find the result. It is very time consuming. You cannot believe the accuracy blindly, and you can do calculations only on single points. The advantages of numerical method is you can solve real life complicated problems. You can get results faster as compared to analytical and experimental method. Results can be achieved on entire geometry. It is applicable even if the physical prototype is not available. The advantages of experimental method is physical and manufacturing errors can be considered in the result. Actual measurements can be done. The disadvantage is it is very time consuming and needs expensive setup. It is only applicable if the physical prototype is available. Minimum 3 to 5 prototype must be tested. So because of the disadvantages in analytical and experimental method, more than 14,000 plus companies in India are now using CAD to create the design and CAE to perform the analysis to validate their design and going further for manufacturing. Let's understand what is CAD and CAE with a video.
Everybody knows traditional crash tests use dummies. In the past, this had been the only way to make vehicles safer during crashes. Prototypes were built, tested, optimized, and crashed against the wall again and again. Over time, the vehicle was improved steadily, as was the safety for all road users. Also in other areas, more requirements have been expected from vehicles. This is expensive and adds to the complexity of product development. We're lucky that we're living in the digital age. Most tests today are conducted on the computer using CAE. CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering, also called calculation and simulation. Nowadays, each car is first constructed on the computer. The data of the drawings designed in that way is called CAD data. CAD data forms the basis for calculation and simulation. The engineers divide the vehicle and every single component into many small elements in order to be able to simulate their behavior. They interconnect the different parts and add the material properties, all virtually. The finished calculation model corresponds in all its details to the future product and is tested virtually, all without causing real destruction, as it was with traditional crash tests. One model allows for numerous calculations to be conducted in order to improve the product further. It's even possible to peer inside every component and find details that would have stayed hidden without CAE. Due to the sheer amount of requirements nowadays, it would be impossible without virtual tests to collect sufficient information on the future product during its development in order to make it suitable for everyday use. CAE makes cars safer, lighter, and more comfortable. It also saves time and money while going easy on the resources. Better life by simulation.
Now, I'll share the course content of ELEATION's CAD CAE Basic to Professional Training Program, which includes Introduction to CAD, creating sketches in sketching mode, 3D solid modeling of simple component, assembly of simple component. It also includes 1D line modeling, 2D surface modeling like sheet metal, plastics, BIW, 3D solid modeling, assembly mechanism, rendering, drawing and drafting, and many more. I'll share the course content of ELEATION's NCIS Basic to Professional Training Program, which includes Theory of FEM and CA, 1D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, 2D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, 3D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, Static Analysis, Transient, Modal, Thermal, Nonlinear, Dynamic, Contact, Vibration, CFD, Fatigue, and many more. The course content of ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic to Professional Training Program includes Theory of FEM and CAE, 1D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, 2D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, 3D Geometry Creation, Editing and Machine, Static Analysis, Transient, Modal, Thermal, Nonlinear, Inertia Relief, Contact, Vibration, Equivalent Radiated Power, Fatigue, and many more. So because of the wide course content of ELEATION's CAE, NCIS and HyperWorks Basic to Professional Training Program, we are the leading training institute in India. Now I will share details about ELEATION's 1-year post-graduation diploma course, which includes complete training on ELEATION's CAE, NCIS, HyperWorks Basic to Professional Training Program. It also includes ELEATION's CAE, NCIS and HyperWorks Basic to Professional Training Program certificate. On each and individual topics, you will get industrial internship project, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter to strengthen your resume. Better your resume and better your profile will help you to get better job opportunities. Free license version software of CAE, NCIS and HyperWorks, 100% placement guarantee with money back guarantee. Along with that, we will provide soft skills training, resume writing, email writing, interview preparation, etc. Along with that, we will give trainings on engineering subjects like GD&T, strength of material, etc. The course fees of ELEATION's 1-year post-graduation diploma course is 30,000. Now, I will share the process to join ELEATION's 1-year post-graduation diploma course. The first step is use this link, that is the Google form link, to submit your details. If you are not able to open this link, please send us a mail to support@eleation.com mentioning you need a Google form link of ELEATION's 1-year post-graduation diploma course. Once you will receive your mail, we will share this link. Using this link, you can submit the details. Once you submit the details via Google form, you will receive a mail from Team ELEATION containing the payment details. Complete the payment process. Once you complete the payment process, you will receive a mail from Team ELEATION containing the process to attend the live sessions, watch the recording of live sessions, detailed schedule of live sessions, process to access the pre-recorded videos, process to ask queries or doubts in the live sessions via query mail IDs or doubt clearance sessions, links to download the license version softwares. The complete process of ELEATION's 1-year post-graduation diploma course starts with registration. You have to submit the Google form, complete the payment process and the registration process. You will receive a mail containing all the details. We will start with CAE CAD training program. The training duration is 3 months. It includes soft skill training also. After 3 months, the placement process for CAD design engineer will start. Then we will start with online live classes on NCIS Basic to Professional Training Program. The training duration is 3 months. It also includes training on engineering subjects. After 3 months, placement process of CA engineer will start. Then we will start with online live training on HyperWorks Basic to Professional Training Program. The training duration is 3 months. After 3 months, the placement process for CA engineer will start. Basically, the placement process will start after the first 3 months once the PRIO training program is completed. Now I will answer some general questions. Is this a job guaranteed program or a job assistance program? This is a job guaranteed program with 100% money back guarantee. This is not placement or job assistance program. As in this program we are going to conduct live sessions in which we are going to cover complete content as per industry requirement along with the training on soft skills and engineering subjects. That's why we are giving job guarantee in this program. In which companies I will get the job or placement? In 1 year post-graduation course, we are going to cover CAD and CAE. There are 1000 plus companies including OEMs, MNCs, service-based, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, small scale, medium scale industries in which the students of ELEATION has joined as design or CA engineer. You can search hashtag ELEATION on LinkedIn to see the profiles of the student completed the training with ELEATION and working in different organizations as design and CA engineer. Will I get placement or job after 1 year? No. We will start with PRIO training program which will take approximately 3 months to complete. After that the placement process for design engineer will start. After that parallelly we will start NCIS training, and after 3 months the placement process for CA engineer having the knowledge of NCIS will start. Parallelly we will start with HyperWorks training. It will take 3 months. After 3 months the placement as a CA engineer using HyperWorks software will start. So within a year you will get placement or job as a CAD engineer or a CA engineer. Who are eligible to join this program? Students and professionals from mechanical, civil, production, automobile and other related engineering branches are eligible to join 1 year post-graduation diploma course. Can I pay the fees in installment? Yes, you can pay the fees in 3 installments. The first installment is of 15,000 which you have to pay before the course starts. Second installment is of 15,000 on or before 10th of the next month. Third installment is of 6,000 which is on or before 10th of the next month. So if you pay the fees in installment, then the course fees will be INR 36,000, or if you pay the complete fees at once, then the course fees will be 30,000. Is the training online, live, offline or recorded videos? In 1 year post-graduation diploma course, all the classes will be live. You will also get the access of pre-recorded videos. Along with that, you will also get the access of the recordings of the live sessions. We don't have any offline classes. What is the timing of classes? We have 3 batches, morning, evening, which is from Monday to Friday, and on weekends, which is on Saturday, Sunday. So you can attend all the 3 batches or you can attend any 1 or 2 based on your schedule. If I am not able to attend the live session, then how will I cover the content which I have missed? You will have access to pre-recorded videos, you can refer them. You also have the access of live sessions, you can refer them too. Or you can inform us via support@eleation.com mail ID. We will conduct a live session and we will cover the topic which you have missed. So these are the 3 options using which you can cover the content whichever you have missed. I am a working professional in other domain. I want to switch the domain to design or CA. Will this course helpful? Yes. Based on the training content, project and experience letter, you will be able to switch to design or CA domain. Will I get job in my city or state or anywhere in India? We will try to provide a job or placement in your city or state, but we don't guarantee that. We will give guarantee that you will get a job as a CAD or CA engineer ranging a CTC of 2.4 lakhs to 8 lakhs based on our previous experience in any location in India. Thank you very much for watching this video. At the end, I would like to quote, engineers can create future only if they can predict it and are prepared for it. So I suggest all the engineers to keep learning new technologies to achieve the goal. If you need any updates or information from us, feel free to contact us via support@eleation.com. Thank you.